going on, guys? It's Holland back from Cocafea. Today we have a very interesting project. I'm going to be building a custom canvas for a customer. Let's see what we need for materials. So for the frame, I've purchased some 2x2x8 spruce pine framing lumber, and I've also purchased a couple meters of canvas from my local fabric store. So now that I have all my measurements down, it's finally time to cut these pieces of wood. If you yourself are building a canvas at home, I found it very helpful to pre-drill the holes I was screwing into. That way I didn't crack the frame. So now that I have the frame all put together, I'm just going to vacuum everything that's around here and then lay the canvas down and then put the frame on top of the canvas. Now it's time to stretch the canvas, and to do that I'm going to be using a compressor and a staple gun. I find this to be much faster than the traditional hand stapler. And so as I'm going along, I'm keeping tension and slowly pulling the canvas on each side, slowly pulling more and more gradual tension. And finally going through and trimming all my excess material. Okay, so now we have the canvas and we've trimmed the back. And that's it. That's pretty much all. This is a canvas. That's how you stretch your own canvas. That's how you cut your own canvas. That's how you canvas your own canvas. This canvas is for a really good friend of mine over at Fix Auto, Johnny. You can go check out our Instagram as well as our YouTube next week to see what's going to be happening on this. I'm very excited. This is the biggest piece I've ever done, so we're getting excited for it. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, come back for more. See you in the next video.